Of course, I was still freaked out because they had my key card, so they could, you know, drive away in my car. $800 to get his key replaced. Like, wow. That experience made me appreciate my car even more. Hi everyone, in today's video I'm gonna share my experience on getting a new key card for your Tesla Model 3. I got robbed the other day and my Tesla key card was stolen. It was inside of my wallet with, you know, all of the other stuff which I used to carry in my wallet. So my keys, my ID. Yeah, there was a trip to DMV. I kept everything in my wallet because I never had my wallet stolen. Like, I was always really careful, you know, and of course it happened. So I learned my lesson. I will definitely keep like everything separate now, like my keys from my ID, from my cards, from cash. To be honest, I don't want to carry cash at all, and if I wouldn't need to carry my cards, I wouldn't either, because I have Apple Pay on my phone, and this is actually great because it's a lot safer than credit cards, debit cards. I still need to, you know, authorize any purchase with you know, the face detection, or if you have older iPhone with, you know, with the pin or whatever. So it's just safer to use you know, your phone to pay for stuff than credit cards, because signature doesn't matter, no one checks it. In Europe actually you have to put pin. Doesn't matter if you pay with debit card, credit card. If the transaction is over $20 or around that amount, you have to put PIN. So people don't usually get their wallets stolen, only for cash, but not for cards. Unfortunately here, you know, it's so common that people get their credit card stolen because it's so easy to use it. But let's talk about what happened and how I got my key card back. Of course, you get two key cards when you get your car. One I keep as a backup somewhere in my apartment. I don't even remember exactly where, because I don't even use key cards to, you know, use my car. I mostly use my phone because it's, you know, a lot easier than using a key card, but I always have a key card in my wallet just as a backup in case my phone dies or something doesn't work. That actually never happened. Like, I've been using my phone as a key to my car for how many months? Like over 4 months, and I didn't have any issues. No, not at all. Just in case. So yeah, I didn't even use that key card like once. I mean, only at the service center. And by the way, I really like that they put these key cards in like nice envelopes so they won't get scratched or anything. Like, that's pretty nice. I really appreciate it. At the Tesla service, they also like put your key card in special envelope, so you know it's it won't get lost or scratched. It's really nice. Small details. But my coworker actually told me that, you know, to replace a key, you know, stolen or lost keys in the car, it costs like around, you know, 200, like a few $100s. It's not cheap. And in his Mercedes, actually, he had to pay $800. $800 to get his key replaced. Like, wow, that's a lot of money, you know. So I was expecting to pay like at least $100 for a new key card. And guess what? So I actually made an appointment in the app to get a new key card and also get the other one removed from my car. And that was super easy, and it was great that I could actually schedule an appointment very quickly. Like, they showed up at my workplace, by the way, at my work. I didn't have to go anywhere. I didn't have to, you know, waste my time. They came to my work, and a few days later, after I made the appointment, so that was pretty quick. I was kind of freaked out after I got my wallet stolen. Fortunately, I realized pretty soon that my wallet was missing, so I was able to, you know, check if everything's fine. And with my car, obviously, they didn't steal my car. They didn't even try to get in. It's possible they didn't know how to, because, you know, these handles now, how do you open this car? No, I'm just kidding, but I don't know, they just didn't try to steal my car, fortunately. Although it's great that you can, you know, you have access to your car with the app, and you know, you can locate the car. It's pretty great. Like, you can, you know, contact Tesla and they will deactivate the car basically, and this is pretty amazing. Like, I don't think you can do it with any other car. So even if someone steals your Tesla, it's pretty hard to actually steal it. Of course, I was still freaked out because they had my key card, so they could, you know, drive away in my car or get access to it. So the first thing I did, I put a pin on my car, and that's amazing. You know, that's a great feature. It definitely gave me a peace of mind because I was sure that, you know, they won't drive away in my car. They of course could exit the car, could get in, but they couldn't, you know, do anything else. So the pin feature is really great and gave me peace of mind until, you know, Tesla service showed up to give me a new key card and also delete the other one. That was super easy, super painless. Like, they literally showed up, let me know they are here in the parking lot. I gave them access to my car. They were down in like less than 5 minutes. Like, that was super quick, but they just told me like it's gonna take some time, so like you can do whatever. So I just went back to the office, and then when they were done, they just let me know, and that was it basically. They gave me a new key card, and they also pumped my tires, which was pretty nice. Like, they checked everything, you know, if everything is fine with my car. I didn't even ask them for it, but it's nice that they care, you know, and they did it for free. And by the way, this piece of, I guess, plastic, guess how much it cost? Like, I was expecting, you know, to be like at least $100, and that was exactly $12.50 for the whole service and the key card. That's how much I paid. Pretty great compared to, you know, Mercedes, $800. Like, what? That's amazing. I'm actually glad that Tesla Model 3 comes with the key card instead of key fob, because probably key fob would be a lot more expensive. So I'm actually glad that I got the key card, especially that I don't even use. I wouldn't use the key fob. I don't use the key card. I just use my phone to access my car, and it's amazing. I didn't have any problems. And I've been driving my car for over 4 months, and phone works great. So that's amazing. So yeah, even though like it was a pretty traumatic experience, you know, getting my wallet stolen with everything in it, Tesla made it pretty easy for me, and I'm really surprised. Like, I see that they are improving like every single day, and I was able to book an appointment 4 days ahead. Like, I didn't have to wait a week. I didn't have to wait a month. Literally, I was able to just, you know, do it in a few days. So that's pretty great. I see that they are really, you know, trying to make their service, you know, available to all Tesla owners. So I'm pretty impressed, especially with all the prices. Like, wow. Like, I love my car. I love driving it. I love just having it. And this, you know, pretty traumatic experience made me appreciate it even more. If I would have any other car, like, I would have to get, you know, backup key. I would have to go home, but because I have my phone and because I have a Tesla, I was able to drive home even without, you know, keys or my wallet, and I was fine. So that's pretty impressive. Like, you know, a lot of Tesla owners, like me included, like, you don't even think about this stuff, like, you know, all these little details that make this experience of, you know, owning a Tesla so easy, so like nice, you know. And a lot of people don't even think, you know, about stuff like that. Like, okay, what's gonna happen if your keys will get stolen or lost? Like, what are you gonna do? How much are you gonna pay for it? With Tesla, it's so easy, you know. Like, this is amazing, you know. So I just wanted to make the video just in case if, you know, any one of you will go through similar experience. Like, if you will get your key card stolen, it's pretty easy to still like put another layer of protection on your car with a pin. And also it's so easy, you know, to get your car key card replaced for pretty cheap. So yeah, that's all I wanted to say. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments, and I will see you soon in the next video. Bye bye.